SpiderHam, friendly neighborhood SpiderHam, spins a web, that's his gig. Kinda weird, cause he's a pig. Look out, cause here comes SpiderHam. Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video, I make SpiderHam from Into the Spider-Verse movie out of polymer clay. I start by drawing out SpiderHam from the front as well as the side profile. I'm making a skeleton base using foil as well as some aluminum wire. After I'm happy with the basic shape, I make sure to smush down all the foil, as well as use some aluminum wire for the arms. Start off by rolling out some red sculpey souffle polymer clay, about an 1/8 inch thick or a little bit less. And I fold this over his feet to start a base. I'm going to work my way up to the head. I use one of the plastic wedge tools to create some feet. Using about the same thickness, I roll out some leg pieces, wrapping them around and cutting off the excess. I want to make sure that the head had a little bit of extra thickness, that way when I shape it, there's a little bit of room to work with rather than going through to the foil. I use a blue tool that's got a little rounded edge, rolling it and then kind of making it conform to the shape. That way there's no bumpy spots, or at least for the most part they're all out. Once I got the basic head shape, I made 2 equal small little round balls that are going to make up the cheeks on each side of the face. So adorable. You just want to pinch them. Making the top part of the arm out of red, cutting a cylinder out in half and then applying it on top. Part of the uniform is blue on the bottom part of the arm, so I'm going to leave that open and add a blue piece right there. The pack of inexpensive tools that I purchased came in really handy. I'll leave a link in the description to all the tools that I use, including the sculpey souffle. Next I'm going to go in and make the hands. The hands are a lot like human hands, except they're cartoony, and instead of having 4 fingers and a thumb, they're going to have 3 fingers and a thumb. I'm not really sure why, but the fingers remind me of little hot dogs. Just roll them right up, cut them, and stick them right on. And there you go. You have SpiderHam hands. black that goes around the eyes first. Cut a very thin piece, and I'm using a needle tool to kind of shape the eyes, as well as some other plastic tools to flatten everything out, as well as make sure it's smooth, conform to the face. I made 2 small cylinders, and I made the ends a little bit more cone-like and flattened them out. These are going to be the spider ears. I'm using the same technique that I used on the eyes for the nostrils. Then came back in with some small little pieces, and I'm now making the spider logo or emblem. It is on SpiderHam's chest. Got some really small details, so I'm using the needle tool again. I rolled out some really thin pieces of polymer clay, and I'm just daintily pressing it onto the top and making sure that everything is connected. After I have everything done, I'm going to come back in with some real thin white and go over the nostrils as well as the eyes using the same technique I used for the black, except this time with white. After getting in all the final details and texture, I baked the polymer clay for 25 minutes at 275 degrees. After the clay was cool and baked, I used a Sharpie to go over everything and add some spiderweb lines. The Sharpie worked better than I thought it would, however I would like to get some paints at some point and actually use paint for the final details.
SpiderHam, SpiderHam, friendly neighborhood SpiderHam, spins a web, that's his gig, kinda weird, cause he's a pig, look out, cause here comes SpiderHam.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button, comment, and share. And if you haven't already, hit the notification bell for when I drop the newest videos. Until next time, peace.